Looking for fresh, sustainable home decor ideas? Today we're diving into amazing DIY projects using bamboo and eco-friendly paints, perfect for creating a home that's both stylish and earth-conscious. First up, bamboo floating shelves. Lightweight, durable, and totally chic, bamboo makes a perfect natural accent. Just cut sand, seal with eco-friendly varnish, and mount. Want instant transformation? Try an eco-friendly painted accent wall. Use non-toxic low-VOC paints to refresh a room while keeping the air you breathe clean and safe. Next level greenery. Build a bamboo plant ladder to showcase hanging plants or fairy lights. It's light, portable, and brings nature indoors in a creative way. Don't toss old furniture, revive it. Sand it down, add a pop of color with eco paint, and you've got a brand new statement piece. With just bamboo, eco-friendly paints, and a little creativity, you can transform any space into a sustainable sanctuary. Ready to roll up your sleeves and go green? Bamboo floating shelves, eco-painted accent wall, bamboo plant ladder, upcycled eco-friendly furniture. Subscribe for more DIY green living hacks. Watch next, 10 ways to make your home eco-friendly. Thanks for watching, Earth Lover.